Happy Friday to everybody. It has been a long couple of weeks for me and Lacey and the family. That's why there's been no videos. We just got back home this morning at 3 o'clock in the morning, and as you can tell, the leaves are all gone. It's cold, it's rainy. I'm not logging. So anyways, what had happened was not last Sunday, the Sunday before, Lacey was in some pain, so we did drive all the way to Illinois and to get things checked out. We got over there, well, we left Sunday afternoon. I'll tell you the whole story. Left Sunday afternoon, we got down to about Grand Rapids. All my Grand Rapids folks, I stopped at a Meijer and got a pop because I was dying of thirst. The 32 ounce, and they didn't have the lids for it, so I got a Slurpee lid. Needless to say, 2 miles down the road, it all ended up on my lap. That's how the whole trip started. So we got down to, we got over to Illinois, got over there to the cancer treatment centers, and it was about 9 o'clock at night. Got in there, got into the ER. They got us in a room. By the time we went to bed, it was Monday, about 4 o'clock in the morning was the time me and Lacey actually went to bed. And then bright and early Monday morning, there was doctors coming in and checking her out and seeing what's going on. So they set up scans for Tuesday morning. So we went in Tuesday morning and Lacey had scans done. And the scan showed that there's a tumor that was in her back that fractured her T8 vertebrae. And what happened was it got all busted up in there. And so that's what it showed. She had been having back pain for a long time, and over the past week or so, a couple weeks, it had gotten worse and worse and worse. Good thing we left when we did, because if this would have happened over there, I mean, now she was in excruciating pain. So it kind of let loose when we were there, I think. It might have been really bad here. When we got there, it got really bad. So Tuesday, it's what the scan showed. So they set up a surgery for Thursday. We went in, so now Tuesday and Wednesday, they wouldn't let her even go to the bathroom because she was like so close to being paralyzed from the waist down. They didn't want her to even go to the bathroom, so they brought out a commode deal, and it was just, and she was in a lot of pain, and they had her on all kinds of stuff to try to get it down, and it just really didn't phase it at all. So anyways, then the scan also showed that she had fluid around her right lung, which was giving her issues. So on Thursday, before the back surgery, they went in and drained that lung. They did another scan, and then they did the surgery. And that was happened. She was gone from about 2 in the afternoon till she got back at 10 at night. By the time it took to do all that stuff there, the surgery was a pretty serious surgery, fusing her back together. So she got that done. She got back about 10 o'clock that night into the room, and then they had scans Friday morning again to make sure that the surgery was fine. That neurosurgeon is very impressive. So they got the scans Friday, and Lacey was kind of bummed because she was in so much pain before, and they said this is going to help with your pain. And obviously by now she's got a whole bunch of pain because they just did a real major surgery on her back. And they got that done. So she was kind of bummed out about the pain deal. And now she had a drain for her back that was there, a drain for her lung, and then they had her a catheter hooked up. So she just got bags and tubes hanging off her all over, so that wasn't any fun. So that was Friday. So the last over a week, well, I guess it's Friday, the last week she's been recovering from that surgery. And she has gotten a little bit better every day as far as the pain wise goes. And yeah, so it's been a very interesting week being over there. She was stuck on one floor for almost, whatever it was, almost 2 weeks, and she was pretty bummed about that. She wanted to get out of that place bad, so they released us yesterday. Like at 9 o'clock, they're like, he's gonna start getting the paperwork ready. So we actually scheduled to stay over there last night, and we didn't get released till we didn't actually leave till about 8:30, and I didn't want to, I don't know, I just didn't want to go to go stay there for a night. I wouldn't have got there till by the time we went and got something to eat, because near it was 8. By the time I would have went to that place, it'd have been 11 o'clock, and I'd had to unpack everything, and then I would have wanted to sleep in and have to. So I said, you know what? I'm gonna drive overnight. So we got back home at about 2:30 in the morning, and yeah, that's been the last almost 2 weeks. That's what I've been doing. I had some videos that I uploaded before that I had with me, so I might have had a couple videos there that when I was over there I was releasing them. So no logging videos, no chipping videos. I've been taking care of Lacey, and next week it's like the plans change every day. I was supposed to leave on Monday, and then they scheduled appointments for Monday, so I have to leave here on Sunday, go back over to Illinois, and she's got 3 or 4 days of stuff going on there to kind of check her back out, get the staples removed, do all that stuff. So there ain't gonna be no more videos of Ron chipping around, which I know that if you're watching this video, you really don't care. So that's cool, but it's been a long 2 weeks. I will say this about the people there that are there: they treat Lacey very special. I don't want to talk it too much, but there's nurses there that give her a hug and tell her they love her and whatever else. Then there's nurses there that literally give her a kiss on the cheek every time they see her and she leaves. I mean, they literally care about, I believe most of the patients, but I'm not with the other patients, I'm just with Lacey. They take care of her very special, and that's one reason why we do drive over there. That's one reason why I don't go anywhere local, because they don't treat her like that. I'd rather drive the 6 hours over there and get the best care for her, and she is so comfortable being there. I mean, we're in the recovery, we're just hanging out there, and she's got physical therapy every day, and she's got stuff, doctors, everybody's coming in, checking on her every day. But there's people that are around the hospital that every day, I bet you at least 5 people that aren't supposed to be there come in and say hi to her, come in and bring ice cream. They come in and joke around with her. They come in and give her hugs. People will walk by, they know what room Lacey's in, and they'll transfer a patient up to that floor, and they will stop in her room before they leave and say, Lacey, how you doing, Lacey? And give her a hug and talk to her for a few minutes. And it is incredible the care that we get when we're there. That's why we go there. The neurosurgeon, everybody there is like, I've never dealt with this before, but it's like they're the best, and it's like they literally care about Lacey's well-being, and they'll do anything they can to just make her feel better. I got people, one night a couple came in and talked to us for 2 hours, a really nice couple that are just incredible, just come in and talk to us. The lady works there, and it was her day off, and she still came in there, and they talked to us for a couple hours, and it's just nice to talk to people when you're in there for that long, just about life. So it was incredible, and she gets, like I said, it's unbelievable care that she gets there. And there's people that stop by and say, if I wasn't going to see anybody on the floor today, I was going to see Lacey. And it's just really special to be in Lacey, the care that she gets over there. And they all, there's all these, I don't know them all, but they all want to see Lacey when she comes back. So like, come and talk to us next week when you come back if you're not in here, so we can say hi. And it means a lot to me when people actually do take the time to care about your spouse. Nobody wants to be in this situation. It's just hard for everybody. So anyways, as far as that stuff goes, I mean, the care over there is just incredible. It is a little bit of a drive, but I don't care. It doesn't bother me at all. I know the route. Lacey's always trying to, well, here's my phone to show the route. I don't need the phone. I've drove here I don't know how many times. I know the way I want to go. I don't need no phone telling me which way to go. I've done that a couple times and I got angry because of the way it took me. So yeah, GPS is, no. I got a route that I go, I enjoy, because I'm the one driving it all. But anyways, it's just like, man, the leaves left since I've been gone. There's no leaves at all, and there's one maple tree over there. There's a clump maple, soft maple, that has beautiful colors that go beautiful with the house that I wanted to get a picture with every year. I got one with it last year. This year I didn't get it because I come back and it's all gone. But it is what it is. Anyways, I got a bunch of stuff I got to do today. The whole floor in the car is all covered in pop. The console's all covered in pop. The dash has pop on it. I gotta get that cleaned. I got some stuff to do for Lacey. They got like 5, almost 6 inches of rain in a couple days when I was gone, and it was an absolute mess. And I would have had some excellent video for everybody. I know there's some people that just love the mud videos. So I wasn't here to experience all the rain. I just got back here. So anyways, thank you so much for everyone that's always leaving the nice comments and saying something to Lacey. Lacey does go through and read the comments once she gets a break. So I only ask you guys to do a couple things on this channel, and that is to just continue to pray for Lacey. Just think about her. Throw a comment down there for Lacey. She loves to read comments when she gets a break, when she's trying to relax. So if you leave a comment, pray for her, think of her. And you know, as I always say, there's only one thing you can do. Just keep rolling.